Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have with me Dome's super soft color pencils that I just bought. I even tried them out for one of the sketches. You can check the sketches out on my Instagram profile. So to be very honest, I already have Dome's pencil colors, that the huge box ones, but these ones I bought specifically for this tin box because I just love this box a lot. So let's first check out the economics of this one. So you can see the price here is 100 rupees. I think it's quite cheap for super soft color pencils, and it also comes with 12 colors. So I'm going to review this now. First of all guys, this tin casing won my heart completely, and like you can see, the colors are also pretty good. Like they have a light pink, they have a red, you have a white also. Many pencil colors don't give you white, but they have given us white, and there is orange. I'm going to test all these colors out one by one. So I'm going to patch test each one of these. So I just realized how to take these out. Like it doesn't come out from this side. Maybe because I am a beginner, I don't know any of this. It actually comes out when you press it from here. So if you press it a bit from this side, it comes out from this side. Okay. So one by one I'm going to try them out, starting with yellow. So my first reaction to this is that it is actually super soft. I want to show you the nib here. Just look at this. I think more. Yeah. Just look at this nib, guys. You can see that it's soft, like it's not waxy. Otherwise the pencil colors that we usually get are waxy. These are not waxy. I will show you a lighter shade as well. So this is the yellow. You can see it is not waxy, so that's why it is not like sticking to the paper, and it's doing what a good pencil color is supposed to do. So I'm going to try all the shades now. So like you can see, these are the 12 colors that you get in the box. I especially have a liking for this green, this one here. This will pop out really well in leaves and nature paintings and drawings. So now I'm going to test how well they blend. Like if I am going to blend, if I want to blend this pink and create a, say, skin tone, I'll probably add a bit of yellow in this one. Just give you all a closer look. I'm now adding a bit of yellow, as you can see, and right now for me it is blending quite well. If you know what, these pencil colors are usually a headache to blend, but this has blended quite well. Now I'm going to try to lighten this up with this white, and we'll see how it goes. So this is a tip guys, whenever you want to blend your pencil colors, always blend in the direction opposite to the last layer. Okay, and always ensure that you have a layer of white for blending, or a transparent pencil color, even that will do. Okay, I'm going to try a different blending as well. I'm going to try with one with purple and pink. Okay, now one more thing I want to check out, how well these colors blend with water. Like, do they spread with water? Because I have seen many pencil colors, especially the soft, super soft ones, that they blend really well with water also, and it gives really nice effect to the sketches. So I am going to try and now blend these with water. I'm going to try this one first. I am really excited to try this one. And I have And I have taken a watercolor paper here because I wanted to see how they blend, so hence the texture. I also have an outline ready which I'm going to color with these pencils, so, and that is not on watercolor paper, so you'll know how these work on normal drawing paper as well. For now we'll try blending this, taking a little bit of water in my brush, and let's see what this does. As you can see, this is blending pretty well, but not as much as I wanted it to, because I wanted it to completely blend, but I guess that happens only with watercolor pencils. We'll try to blend this one also, like the single palette ones. They are spreading a bit, but I'll show you. Like, see, they don't spread that much. If I draw over the wet surface, then yes, the color spreads very easily, but it's not giving me the effect that I desired for when I blend these colors. So we'll try this out on a normal drawing paper as well. I'm going to majorly use black and brown for this one because it's a dragon, and I'm going to use a bit of blue as well. So let's get started. Starting with the blue. Now as you can see, and as you know me, I have made a mistake here. I shouldn't be painting this part because I want to keep it a bit on the whiter side. So now let's test out if we can erase these pencils. So this is a normal eraser that I have. I'm now going to try and erase this portion that I have wrongly colored. As you can see, it erases the whole thing very quickly. Maybe the eraser is so strong. See, you can see a bit of color on the eraser as well. I'll try some other portion also, like I'm going to try it on here also. So the color is very easily removable. That's a good thing, guys, especially if you're someone like me who makes a lot of mistakes. So now the next layer I am going to use a little bit of this light blue as well, and we'll see how well this blends normal paper, because the last time we blended it was on the watercolor paper. So now I'm going to try it here. So as you can see, it's looking pretty decent right now, but I still have at least 2 to 3 layers to go. I'm going to now try the brown one and then the black one, but I want to do the brown one first. I'm going to paint these portions, I'm going to sketch these portions with the brown one. I don't know about you guys, but these colors have pleasantly surprised me. This is a Game of Thrones inspired dragon, by the way, and if you are a Game of Thrones fan like I am, do let me know in comments which was your favorite season, and please don't tell me that the last season was a bad one. I know that already. Maybe because it didn't fulfill our expectations or whatever, but still they made an effort. Right now I'm going to now use black because I've done everything else that I wanted. But before doing that, I want to see if I can blend these colors on this drawing paper. See what happens. I'm so scared, guys, right now. I don't think it's doing anything. You think? I don't think they are blending, like little something is happening, but I can't see much action here. So even on drawing paper they don't blend that well. So I'm going to continue what I was supposed to do, what I wanted to do with this one, and I'll have to wait for this to dry a bit. Now I'm going to outline the whole thing with a bit of black. So this is the final sketch, guys, the colored one, and I think it has turned out pretty well. The colors have blended well, and I will definitely recommend this Dome's Supersoft color pencils. And I think they are really cheap, like at 100 if you can get this effect, then why not? And really the tin is an add-on. I really love the tin, can't love it enough. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.